This print is called Kanoko Forest. If you ever been to Japan, or perhaps you have seen the photo of Japanese temples in Nara, you might have seen those deer with white spots on the back. This Kanoko pattern is inspired by those spots on the back of the deer. This Kanoko pattern is one of the most iconic patterns that you see, especially when you look at vintage kimono. These small, tiny dots are created by those artisans who wrap tiny thread around the fabric. So when you dip it in the dye bath and when it's dried, then you have all these circles with a tiny dot right in the middle. I thought that was really cute. And I love to bring that kind of a tradition into my new design. I started out in my sketchbook journal and I started working with those circles with tiny dots, not lined up as you would see in the traditional pattern, but scattered all over as if they are moving in the forest. The color palette is also inspired by the beautiful early summer colors in the forest. This is the result.